Hello, my friends. So today I wanted to share with you, because I've had some questions about, Melby, how do you travel with your wigs? Because I've been in Texas and just got back to the Netherlands. So I travel internationally, and I've had to figure out on those long flights how to make it work. So I some days want to be silver and blonde when I travel, some days brunette and redhead. So I can take these all with me pretty easily, and you wouldn't think so. But I'm going to share with you some things in the links below. I will leave in the descriptions below links for where to find these items. And so first of all, I choose which wig I'm going to wear, because I want to choose a wig that's the most comfortable. Now I already have a video up on this Cameron from Renau. You can look in the playlist and see why I love it. And it's the cap construction and the lace on the front. It is so comfortable. So when I put on Cameron and wear it, I found that she was the one that I could wear and did wear and would forget I had it on. So that was my very best clue. What could I wear all day long and enjoy it and not be wishing I could get off that plane and in my car and rip it off? Because this doesn't happen with this wig. So maybe you need something for work all day. You want to have a really comfortable work wig? This Cameron will really do the trick. So I'm not going to play around a lot right now with getting all disguised, because normally I would powder the sides and all. But I want to get her on and explain another reason why she's my favorite. One, the fibers just hold up during the whole travel time. And when I travel, I put on, let me get it, I put on a neck pillow. So I've got my neck pillow on, right? So I hook that up and usually connect my glasses, hang it from there. I put on my eye mask. I put on big noise-canceling earphones, because this girl needs to sleep when I travel that way. It's a long day and night. So that's my go-to. This wig, with all of that on, was so comfortable. Wasn't a problem at all. So I really know that this is it, because I get up at early in the morning, packing, you're throwing yourself together. You have to be at the airport 3 hours early for an international flight. And then you get on the plane and you have 9 hours. This time I had to sit on the tarmac for 2 hours extra. Joy. And then you get home, go through everything, get your baggage. I live about an hour and 45 minutes from Amsterdam. And then you get there, home finally, and it's like, now I can take it off. That doesn't happen with all my wigs. Some of my wigs I can wear for hours and I'm ready to get it off. That's what it's like. It's kind of like when you get home. It used to be it was my bra I wanted to take off the first thing. No, now it's my hair. So, but Cameron is, believe me, it can hold up to all day and international travel. It was fabulous. The other thing that people want to know is how would I store them or carry them. So I have, this was something, a bag I got from Amazon, but it's a roller bag, and I'll leave the link. But it has pockets here, but I can open it up, and I have this all stacked in here with all of these wigs. All of these wigs, because my wigs are going to go with me on the plane. They are not going to get checked in, and somehow, like my last travel, my bags ended up going to Miami, from Amsterdam to Miami, and 2 days later to Dallas. No, ma'am, my wigs have to be with me. So one of the things I do when I store my wigs is I use these satin bags. So these satin bags, so these wigs travel so nicely and doesn't get all staticky. The satin protects the fibers. And what I do is take the tag and I hook it to the drawstring. So then I can take Cameron off. This is the Cameron tag, put it in my bag. So when I get to wherever I'm going, I can take them out, or say if they're packed up and I'm going hotel to hotel, I leave them packed. I know I don't have to open every bag to try to guess which one is it, right? I know which one it is. I have it tagged. So that's the beauty of these satin bags. So you get them by the dozens. I have a link below. These satin bags are wonderful. The next thing I would say to travel with, I travel with a few things. Maybe you don't want to wear your hair while you sleep. And so on the plane, they turn the lights down at a certain point. Everybody goes to sleep. So slip your hair off and put on something like one of these satin things here. So this one I like this beanie cap style, because it has satin on the inside, and that you can just slip it on And look at that. You can just even wear this over to protect the fibers while you sleep. Tuck it back in, and you can protect your fibers like that. Or take the wig off, whoops, like that. And then everybody's sleeping, nobody's paying attention to you. You don't know who's in those other rows or the people behind you. You'll never see them again. Be comfortable if that's what you want to do. This is a great travel satin on the inside. It feels so cozy, and you're just going to go to sleep. Then take your wig and put it back in your satin bag, right? And put it in the seat pocket in front of you, or put it in your bag down below the seat. So that's another one of my travel tips. And you can get these other kind that are so cute like this. They look more like shower caps. I like them for sleeping. I do, even with my bio hair, I like the satin caps just for sleeping. They're very comfortable. I know I'm going to put it on. I hear some of you saying, put it on, you didn't put it on. Okay, I'm going to do that. So I put my bio hair under there. I put this on and there. See? Keeps my hair from rubbing and getting, worse than what it already is, and it keeps it off my neck. So very comfortable to wear these little satin caps. So that's one thing. Let me put Cameron back on real quick. And I want to show you what I do when I get to where I'm going. So you have a bathroom or bedroom, closet, or maybe a hook on the back of the door. This I can't live without now. So it's these rings. And look at that. These are so easy because I can just put it like that. And these go in my bag. This usually goes on my check-in bag. These go in my bag. And when I get to the hotel or I get to family's house where I'm staying, then voila. I now can hang my wigs anywhere. Take them out of their satin bags, let them shake out and refresh, and there you go. So these today, my friends, I hope will help you with some of your traveling and what you're going to experience and how to make it easier to take all your beautiful wigs with you wherever you go. And I'll see you, my friends, in the next video. Doing my darlings. Bye.